Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send money internationally with Xoom and explain the fast and normal transfer methods. So, if you want to send money to another country and understand how the process works, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Xoom website. Once the website opens, click on Login. You can sign in using your PayPal account or your Xoom account. After logging in, you will reach the Xoom homepage. If you want to send money to a new person, click on Send to Someone New. Now click on Change and select the country where you want to send money. Choose the receiver's country from the list. After selecting the country, enter the amount you want to send. Then click Next. Now choose how the receiver will receive the money. You may see options such as bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup, depending on the country. Select your preferred receiving method and click Next. After selecting the transfer method, continue following the instructions shown on your screen. Now enter the receiver's information if required. Review all details carefully before continuing. Once everything looks correct, proceed to the payment step. Complete the payment process and confirm the transfer. After submission, Xoom will process the transfer, and you can track the status from your account. Transfer time may vary depending on the selected transfer option and destination. And that's it. This is how you can send money internationally with Xoom using fast and normal transfer methods. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.